Hi, I'm Troy with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. Today I want to introduce you to our newest product. It's a 50 CFM wall-mounted Tsunami Aftercooler. Initially, it's primarily designed for mobile applications or for tight spaces, whether it doesn't matter if it's in a garage shop or a mobile rig. We're currently standing in a mobile rig that's going to be outfitted for doing spray foam. What this system comes with, when you open the box, you're going to get a wall mounting template that's going to help you provide the mounting for the unit. It's going to come with the wall brackets, and the wall brackets is really what makes this Aftercooler so different from everybody else that's out there. Typical Aftercoolers either come mounted on a stand, or they're going to come with feet that allow you to either vertically have them vertical or horizontal. So a lot of times they're going to have it lower to the floor, and they do that so that cooler air is able to be drawn through that heat exchanger with the fans, which is great. Except when you start utilizing floor space in a mobile application, it really takes away from what you're trying to accomplish, which is a mobile application. And it will come with the mounting hardware as well to affix the Aftercooler to the bracket. So what's really unique about this bracket is this bracket, when it's mounted to the wall, it has unique mounting patterns on the bracket, which is going to allow us to either do what you see here, which is mount an Aftercooler parallel to the wall. It's going to allow for us to really tuck that Aftercooler up tight, so we have very little space that's going to be needed. If we have to, we can mount it up a little bit higher. We're still getting airflow drawn in from all over to pull it up. So one of the nice things is that you're going to be able to mount it perpendicular to the wall, and that's going to allow cooler air from the floor travel up through the heat exchanger and vent that high temperature upwards. You can mount it up out of the way. When you mount it perpendicular to the wall, our approach temperatures can be down to about 3 to 5 degrees above ambient temperature. When we have it tucked in parallel to the wall like this, it's the least amount of airflow that we can experience with this mounting configuration. And when it's mounted like this, our approach temperatures are going to reach somewhere between 13 and 20 degrees above ambient temperature, which is still very effective cooling considering you might have 200 to 250 degree incoming air. So we really are dropping out a lot of moisture downstream. This wall bracket also allows us to sacrifice a couple more inches of space, and we move them to this second set of mounting holes right here. And we go from about 4.5 inches of gap to about 6.5 inches of gap. And what that's going to do is actually improve our performance, and we're going to see approach temperatures about 7 to 13 degrees above ambient temperature. So this bracket, which is really the unique aspect to the Aftercooler itself, allows you to choose how effective that cooling is going to be based on how much space that you actually have. It's a very simple design. 110, 120 volt outlet, plug it in, turn the switch on, and away we go. The inlet's always at the top. The outlet's always going to be on the bottom. We want moisture that's condensed out to go downstream. For any other questions, contact customer service at 800-782-5752 or check us out at tsunami.us.com.